Hello everyone. If you want to rearrange, delete, rotate or manage pages in a PDF, here is how you can organize the pages in Adobe Acrobat. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Once you land on the home page, you have two options. You can just move the cursors toward the create option given at the top left corner and tap on the create PDF. You want to create a PDF, or you can just tap on the open files in order to open the PDF. But if you have already opened the PDF within the application, make sure to scroll down to the recent section and tap on any of the PDF or project that you want. Once you land on the PDF page, you will see different options given within the all to section. Make sure to move the cursors towards the organized pages and tap on it. It is important to note that the organized pages features require an Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription, so it is not available in the free reader version. As you can see, I have not paid yet, so it shows a subscription page. But if you have already subscribed, and when you tap on the organized pages, you will see all the pages of your PDF displayed as thumbnails. Now you can easily manage them by rearranging the pages. You can just simply click and drag the pages to a new position. Or if you want to delete a page, you can just simply click on the page thumbnail and then click the trash icon. But if you want to rotate a page, select the page and then click the rotate button. And lastly, you can also insert new pages from the another file using the insert option given within it. After all the changes that you made, don't forget to click the file, then tap save or save as to keep your updated documents. And that's it. That's how you can organize pages in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.